Previously, you have seen the configuration of how to define a payment terms and the transactional process where where it can able to determine header level and item level. Let's try to see field by field in the payment term definition. PYT term means your payment terms and sales text fields we'll try to check in this session specifically. Okay, let's get back to the session. And as I said that go to SPRO reference IMG, you can able to directly use the transaction called a OBB8 also. Let's go to the master data, business partners, customers, and let's go to the billing document. Okay, this is the place where your terms of payment defined. Okay, so previously we have seen this G couple of payment terms. I think it starts with GD01 and GD02 we have defined. Let's completely try to create our own new payment terms. Okay. ZZ CD. Let's try to do that. Okay. Press enter. Don't give any other things. So as for our first slide, this is the first, what I would say, GGCD is payment term. This is 4-digit alphanumeric code. Okay. So this is your PYT terms means payment terms. Let's try to check sales text field also here. Okay. Probably I'll just try to give you the technical difference. The sales text, okay. Of course, this is for customer and supplier. We are using account type means this is specifically used for customer. Let's keep it here. Don't think about the supplier means this is vendor. Assume that this is only used specifically for customer payment term. Here sales text payment within maybe let me put it customer distributor payer. This is what I just would like to give the sales text. Let's save it as of now. Okay. So if I don't fill any one of the definition, okay, so it will show payable immediately due to net because we're not putting any restrictions. Okay. Now, if you look at this, this is the place where initial it is giving the sales text. Okay, where exactly we're going to use this payment term, how exactly it is useful. Okay, so technically what it differs. Okay, let's come back and let me try to show you. I'll just try to create a, okay, if you go inside, okay, I forgotten this one. Okay, let's save this. So if you have this, so let's remove this. Assume that this sales text, if it is not belongs to customer, obviously it will throw an error. Okay, let's select this. Let's try to save this. Okay, what it says, specify an account type. That's what it is asking. Okay, and let's try to put it supply. Okay, still you will have this error. Only specify sales text for the payment terms for the customers. Okay, let's try to check the help here. If you come here, so whatever entered sales text for terms of payment, the terms of payment not set up for customer account type. That means if you are not trying to set up this payment term, instead of customer means you are trying to forcibly push for your vendor. But actually this sales text field is specifically useful for your customer account type. Okay. So that's why you are getting this error. Okay. Leave this. Let's select this. Now see this. The error will go automatically. Okay. This is this is how the field definition of the sales text. Okay. So now I'll try to show you one more thing. Okay. SPRO. Oh, okay. Not SPRO. Let's go to the BP definition. Okay. Let's take any one of the sample customer. Now let's double click here. Try to choose your customer role. go to the sales and distribution, and let's try to do the edit. And here, if you go the billing, so at the bottom, you can able to find the terms of payment, right? So let's try to go to the bottom. Okay, this is what we have defined. Okay, so since it is selected for customer, you are getting this list. Now let's try to do one thing, a sample experiment. I'm just trying to open another session for the payment terms. Let's come here. Okay, so let's go to the position. Okay, double click here. I don't want to maintain this text and just remove this one. Let's keep it this supplier, or else I can keep it for blank. Actually, let's save this. Okay, it is, at least you have to choose one of this. Assume that this is for vendor. Okay, so since these two are interlinked, right? Customer and sales text. Now let's try to go back and come here and go to the bottom. Okay, so let's try to see. Now you cannot able to see this. If it is defined for customer account type only, then you can able to see this. This is the difference. Okay, so now let's come here, and because of previous session, you can able to see this. Let's try to save this for customer. If you want, you can able to maintain the text also, no issues. Let's come back and try to check now. Okay, press enter. Now actually you can able to make a selection. That's what is all about. Okay, if it is defined for customer account type, then only you can able to see the DP drop down list for sales and distribution. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's catch up in next session. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently I'm holding 8,362 students, and when it comes to my top course as for Hana sales, if you really want, you can able to give it a try. Currently it is holding 87.5 hours and 288 lectures, and these also will be added over there. Okay, that's it. Let's catch up on next session for remaining fields. Have a great day.